Looking for the best angle grinders for metal, concrete, wood, and more? We upload quality videos daily to help you choose the right products fast and confidently. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tool reviews. Number 1. 5 PCS Angle Grinder Wood Carving Disc Set. Most people don't think of an angle grinder for wood carving duties, but there are accessories out there specifically for that purpose. One of the most helpful is essentially a wheel with chainsaw teeth on the edge. You can also use flap discs, just like you do for metal, and there are several other types. Most of the wood carving wheels are 4 or 4 1/2 inches, so a small angle grinder is your best bet, and we highly recommend a model with kickback control. The trick here is to make sure your grinder isn't underpowered, since this can be a very aggressive application. If you have spare batteries and a rapid charger, cordless can be a convenient option. However, the unlimited runtime of a corded grinder is our preference. If you don't already have a grinder in mind, give Metabo HPT's G13 BYEQ a shot as our pick for the best corded small angle grinder. Number 2. Greenworks Angle Grinder. Right out of the gate, this angle grinder puts up some impressive numbers. According to Greenworks, this single-speed angle grinder boasts a top-end speed of 10,500 RPM from its brushless motor. That kind of speed puts it in the company of some of the fastest angle grinders we've tested in the 4.5-inch class. One thing you may notice is a lack of vibration dampening zones like we see on higher-priced models. With that said, it's definitely not a deal-breaker, and certainly not a surprise considering the high-value price point Greenworks is targeting. There are a few different options when it comes to trigger styles on angle grinders. Choosing the best one often depends on your primary tasks and personal preference. This model features a slide switch on top of the tool that locks on and makes it easier to shift your grip to different positions. Number 3. Makita 5-inch Concrete Planer. The best angle grinder for concrete surface grinding has plenty of muscle behind it and a shroud to help collect the dust. For these tasks, we prefer the unlimited runtime of corded AC power. Check out Makita's PC5010CX1 for a 5-inch grinder with a concrete shroud as an all-in-one tool. Its 12-amp motor has 1,400 watts of muscle, and there's a vibration dampening spring system to make the job less fatiguing. If you're on the hunt for the absolute best in concrete cutting and polishing on an industrial level, take a look at what US Saws has to offer. The Mark III dust buggy is ideal for cleaning out joints. For floor prep, the TC7 stand-up edger lets you tackle the edges close to the walls where your larger concrete polisher isn't the best option. Incidentally, both use Metabo grinders to get the job done. Number 4. Metabo HPT AC Brushless. In selecting the best small angle grinder, I passed over many quality models. As I narrowed down the options, it boiled down to a debate between brushless models from DeWalt and Metabo HPT. In the end, it's Metabo HPT's G13 VE2 that emerged as the winner. While the top speed may seem low, it's tuned for higher torque and has a wide speed range to dial in. When you're grinding down welds, cutting thick stock, and tackling other tough tasks, you'll notice the difference. I also like that the weight of this model is relatively low, and the slim handle offers a more comfortable grip. What seals the deal is the price tag. Metabo HPT's corded grinders consistently have a lower price than comparable models from DeWalt. Number 5. Metabo WEPBA 19-150. For the best medium-sized grinder, DeWalt's brushless DWE43244N and Metabo's WEPBA 19-150Q DSM brush are the two that rise above the rest for me, with Metabo edging out DeWalt for the win. Even though it's not brushless and doesn't have the advanced electronic features that come with it, Metabo turns to its M-brush technology that offers much longer carbon brush life and the impressive performance of a 14.5-amp motor. From there, it's as full-featured as you can hope for, including a tether-ready carabiner for working at height. Plus, Metabo's auto balancer design does a great job of reducing vibration and extending the life of the grinder and your accessories.